Today you will learn how to save and export PDF files in Adobe Photoshop. Think of a PDF as a picture of your project that anyone can open even if they don't have Photoshop. It preserves quality and page size, so your artwork looks the same. You might export a PDF to submit print-ready files or share your work online. So welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Before exporting, make sure your document is ready. First, check the canvas size and resolution. For printing, use a higher resolution like 300 pixel per inch. For web or screen, 72 to 150 pixel per inch is fine. Also check color mode, use CMYK for printing and RGB for digital work. Now let's save the file as a PDF. Go to File menu and choose Save As. In the Save As window, choose Photoshop PDF from the Format drop-down. Click Save. In the Save Adobe PDF dialog, pick a preset. For printing, choose High Quality Print preset. This keeps 300 pixel per inch images and use CMYK color. For web or email, choose Smallest File Size preset to downsample image to 72 to 150 pixel per inch. You can also manually set image downsampling. One important thing is to make sure Preserve Photoshop editing capabilities is off if you don't need to edit later. These settings help balance quality and file size. Click Save PDF to finish. You have now learned how to save and export your Photoshop designs as a PDF file. Whether you are preparing a file for printing or sharing a design online, these steps will help you create a clean, professional PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.